Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite hostings. This hosting provides multiple plans. In this video I'm gonna share with you one of the cheapest plans. It includes a free .com domain, and if you buy a .com domain you get a .store domain for free. This plan is really suitable for bloggers, small business owners who just want to get started with their website, and anyone who want to try a business model online. So to get the benefits of this hosting, all you have to do is head to A-A-HEBERGEMENT.com and choose your domain name and follow up as in the video. You see, the total of the cart is around 1140 euros, but we're gonna use a promo code CR52 to get a 50% reduction on the total of the cart. And just to let you know that this promo code is available for all the plans in the website. Once coupon applied, you see we got hit at 9.69 euros. It's around $10 per year. Once you've chosen your domain name and everything else, you just go ahead and complete the registration process. As well as there are two payment options, PayPal and the credit card. Once the payment is processed, you will receive access credentials at your email. As well as for the verification code, you will receive it at your email. So once logged in, you need to click on Profiter so you could get the .store domain name for free as well. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. All the links are available in the description.